In order to get a live wallpaper or animated wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy A37, then in that case we can use a third-party app that allows us to get animated wallpapers or video wallpapers. So we can go to the Play Store, and then over here we can use the search option, and we can simply search for something like live wallpapers, let's say. There we go. And we should be able to find many apps that allow you to, at least in theory, get live wallpapers. So feel free to try any of these in order to find out which one you like the most. In my case, I'm gonna use this one, this Zedge app. I've been using it before, and I know it has a pretty huge library of animated wallpapers, so that's why I'm gonna use it. And I'm gonna show you, of course, how to set it up and how to get an animated wallpaper with this app. So we need to wait for the app to be installed. And then once it is, you want to open it, of course. Now, in here, we want to tap on accept and continue. Then we're going to tap on accept in here. We don't have to agree to notifications. We can tap on not now, and we can close this premium offer in the upper right corner. Now, here we can switch to the video wallpapers category. And now we have many different examples that you can, of course, use on your phone. And let's say I'm gonna go through some of these featured ones to try to find something nice. Let's say I'm gonna go to this category over here. And let's say this is the wallpaper that I wish to use on my phone. So now I can use this purple button that we have below the wallpaper. And now we have two options. We can either use credits to get the wallpaper immediately. And in this case, we use 10 credits, and we get exactly 10 credits for free if you install the app. So pretty much the first wallpaper is completely for free. On the other hand, you can also just watch an ad instead to get the wallpaper. Now, in my case, I'm just gonna use the credits. Then after that, or once you watch ad, you should be able to set video wallpaper. You want to tap on that option. Then over here at the bottom, we're going to tap on set wallpaper, and then we have the choice between home screen, lock screen, or both. So in my case, I'm going to use both. There we go, wallpaper updated, so we should be able to go to the home screen, and now as you can see, we have an animated wallpaper. Leave a like and subscribe.